Hi guys, Mrnewmobile here, please subscribe followed by the bell. So, Samsung will likely upgrade many things about the Galaxy Z Fold 5 later this year, but some areas of the phone won't improve, and one that Samsung could neglect is the primary camera. A new rumor claims that the Z Fold 5 won't use Samsung's impressive 200MP ISOCELL HP2 sensor because it is impossible to do so. Though it would be impossible for the Galaxy Z Fold 5 to rock the ISOCELL HP2 sensor, and whether it has to do with costs or technical space limitations imposed by the foldable form factor, either way, the Galaxy Z Fold 5 will supposedly use the same primary camera as the Galaxy Z Fold 4. Galaxy Z Fold 5 features the same 50MP primary camera as its predecessor. Samsung has equipped the Galaxy Z Fold 4, and will equip the Z Fold 5, with the ISOCELL GN3 sensor. It has a 50MP resolution, an f1.8 aperture, 1.0 micron pixels, and benefits from dual pixel phase detection, autofocus, and optical image stabilization. Samsung's first ever 200MP mobile camera shooter, which apparently won't come to the Galaxy Z Fold 5, has an f/1.7 aperture, 0.6 micron pixels, quad phase detection, autofocus for better low-light performance, dual vertical transfer gate technology that enhances color accuracy and reduces overexposure, and OIS. The 200MP ISOCELL HP2 sensor debuted with the Galaxy S23 Ultra and may remain exclusive to the phone throughout the year. As for the Galaxy Z Fold 5, it's unclear if Samsung will at least upgrade the other cameras or the telephoto capabilities. But seeing how even the upcoming Galaxy A54 is now getting teased with improved nightography features, it is possible that Samsung will try to improve the Galaxy Z Fold 5 camera experience in other ways, even if it won't give it the 200MP ISOCELL HP2 sensor. Samsung will probably unveil the Galaxy Z Fold 5 at Unpacked in August-September 2023. Recent leaks indicate that the phone will boast an upgraded waterdrop-style hinge that will allow the device to be folded flat, thus eliminating the gap between the two display halves. Samsung is currently performing the final durability tests on this new hinge design. The phone will also supposedly be thinner than the current generation foldable. That is it guys, without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here please subscribe, like the video, comment. Thanks for watching, see you on my next video. Peace out.